Hello traders, thank you for joining in. So today we will be trading using the two indicators, the EMA Exponential Moving Average and the Stochastic Oscillator. I received lots of requests to test this strategy. So we've been doing so for the past 2 days, and I keep on doing it for the next couple of days. The first 2 days were okay. Yesterday we won 4 out of 6 trades using the strategy, which is fantastic. That said, if you are watching us on a replay through YouTube, please subscribe, hit the like button. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to use the comments. Also, if you want to join our VIP Signals group on Telegram, all the links you need are in the description box. So let's begin. Let's set up our charts and indicators. First thing, we'll be using the 1 minute chart, and as for the indicators, we will use, you go to this tab over here, you click on it, click on moving average once, and on stochastic oscillator over here, you go to on it. So we set the period to 200 and the moving average to EMA, exponential moving average. And you can choose the color that you like. I choose pink in case we have ladies watching us. We need to also cater to the ladies. I prefer to make it thick a little bit, 2 pixels, and save. So now we have the EMA all set up. You go to the bottom of the screen, you have the stochastic oscillator. You click on the pen. We only need to change the K period here to 5. You go to styles. I prefer to make the blue and the orange line thicker. You leave the levels here 80 and 20. This is the overbought and this is the oversold level. We keep them the same and you click save. Okay, so let's move on to the strategy rules before proceeding to backtest it and forward test it using the demo balance that we have, the tournament balance actually that we have over here. So let's begin by explaining the strategy first. The rules are quite simple and very straightforward. First, it has 2 confirmations. Now, along the way, while we are trading, you can employ additional confirmations for you to take the trade. However, the basics of the strategy consist of 2 confirmation levels. The first thing you need to see is where is the price moving in relation to the moving average. So if the price is above the moving average, like in this case, you will only look for buy positions. Conversely, if the price is moving below the moving average, like in this case, let me see, sell trades. That's the first rule, first confirmation. Second confirmation is from the stochastic oscillator that you see over here. In a bearish market going to the downside, as we said, we're only gonna look for sell positions. So what we need to see here, let me do a close-up. What we need to see is a stochastic oscillator that is overbought, so we can go for a sell, right? So we need at least the blue line to be crossing above the 80 level, like in this case over here. Whoops, hold on. Let me go back to this area. All right. So to give you an example, we have two examples here. This is the first, and this is the second example, and this is the fourth example, and the fifth over here, and sixth here. Okay, now the thing is, you need to find these levels. Once you do, you wait for a cross. You wait for a clear cross of the stochastic oscillator to the downside. Both lines should be crossing to the downside. Let me zoom in a little bit. One second. Okay, so as you can see here, you have a clear cross. The blue line crossed below the orange line, and both lines are pushing down. Can you guys see my screen? I don't think you can see it. Let me solve this. I think we're fine now. Okay, we're back. Don't know why I'm having this glitch on YouTube. Anyways, let's continue. So here you have your stochastic oscillator overbought and the clear cross to the downside. This clear cross of the blue line crossing below the orange line, and both of them moving to the downside occurred here at the close of this candle. Okay, so you take a 3 minutes sell position at the close of this candle. So 1, 2, and 3. This is a beautiful win. Okay, first confirmation, price is below the EMA. Second confirmation, an overbought stochastic. Third confirmation is a clear crossover of the blue line below the orange line, and both the blue and orange line are going to the downside. You take a sell position over here. You have 1, 2, 3, 3 minutes expiry, and you have your first win. The second win, the second position is over here. What we are doing right now is called backtesting, which is very important. Should always backtest your strategy before moving to real money. So here as well, we have the price below the EMA. That's the first confirmation. Second confirmation, we have the stochastic oscillator moving in the overbought area above the 80 level of the stochastic. Third confirmation is when we have, let me change the color, is when we have a clear crossover of both lines, the blue line below the orange line, and both lines should be pushing to the downside. This happened exactly at the close of this candle. Okay, so at this point you take a 3 minutes sell position at the opening of this candle over here, and here you go, you have yourself a winning trade, 3 minutes winning trade. Okay, as for the buy setups, if you want to look for buy setups, it's the same concept. We just switch we switch to seeing the price. Your first confirmation is the price is above 200 EMA. You need the stochastic to be in the oversold area, just like here, for example. We see a cross. The cross happened at the close of this candle. You take a 3 minutes trade, and here you go. You have your win over here. This happened also. Now here we don't see a clear oversold condition. However, you can take those as long as one of the lines, especially the blue line, touched the 20 level. You can also combine candlestick patterns to confirm your entry. This is a beautiful um, bullish, very powerful bullish candle indicating a push to the upside. So this is where you take your trade at the close of this one. 3 minute position, you have your win. So 2 wins over here. This is a little bit shaky. You take your position over here, 3 minutes, you have your winning trade. Okay, so let's proceed with actual trading. On the connection situation, okay, doing fine. So let's proceed. What's going on with this taskbar thing? Okay, so let's find some entry points. Okay, this is nice. Even though here we have a higher high, the pair failed to do a lower low. That being said, we have a weakness from the buyers over here. So let's see if it's gonna make a higher high or lower high. The overall trend is bearish, so we might have a setup here. Let's wait for the stochastic to reach the overbought condition, and then once we see across to the downside, we take the sell. If you have any questions, please use the live chat box. Do not also forget to subscribe, hit the like button. Okay, we have the blue line already crossing above the 80 level on the stochastic. Let's see if we can take a sell position on this one. I'm waiting for a clear cross to the downside, a crossover. The blue line has to cross below the orange, and preferably you need both lines to be going to the downside. So up to this point, the pair failed to do a higher high, which is in our favor. And here we go, we're gonna see a cross here. In the meantime, Let's look for another opportunity. I won't take this one for a buy as we have weakening buyers over here, so I'll avoid it. This is playing in range. Let me see if we have a trend line. We have a trend line here. I'll take this one for a buy, exceptionally. Usually when you see that kind of a consolidating situation, don't go for it. However, I'll risk this one. Oof, I took a $10 trade. Nope, I shouldn't have done so, no problem. This one is gonna be a loss. Take a buy here. If this candle closes in green, let me see what's going on here. That's a hopeless case, no problem. Usually weekends are a disaster on OTC. I advise you all not to trade on weekends. It's pushing outside the trend line. This could be a liquidity grab. We have a support. We have a support zone here. I'm waiting for a crossover of the stochastics. Let's see the closing of this candle. $81%. Come on, no problem. I'll take two on this one. I risk two positions. Oops, we had the cross. I'll take it, no problem. Take one here as well. As I already told you, I've received lots of requests to test the stochastic and the EMA strategy. Usually I do not use indicators, so I'm doing this upon your requests just to be very transparent about the testing. We do things live with each other. I take trades live on YouTube, so without any editing of any sort, so you can see what's going on in real time. So let me find another. So this is nice. This is nice. I'll take three positions on this one for a sell. Since we are trading the tournament, I take, additional risks since we are testing, so no problem. My name is Mark, just so you know. If you would like to introduce yourself in the live chat, feel free. My goal here is to, build a community of traders where we can all succeed together, share knowledge, education, make money together. So this is the point of this whole thing. We have resistance line here. Let's see. We have the confirmation. I'll go for 3. This one is going. It might win. We need a push up. Nice. Go on. Yes. Beautiful push. However, as you can see, the EMA is serving as a resistance line. Stochastics are beautifully pushing to the upside. We shouldn't lose those. Come on. 15 seconds left. Nice. Okay. 2 trades in the bag here. And oh, beautiful drop. A very nice drop. Amazing. Healthy. This is what I call a healthy trade. The price is below the EMA. We have strong resistance line here. We took trade once we saw the stochastics cross and push strongly to the downside. We took a 3 minutes position at this level here. So we only trade with the trend, not against it. I don't like this gap down after a green candle. I don't like it at all. This is the last minute, so let's see. I'm quite confident if it keeps on going this slow. Come on, no. It's rejecting. Beautiful. We need more. Come on. It's unfair. These are gonna be a loss, most probably. No issues. We are testing anyway. This is a weird market movement happening here. No excuses. We done the homework. We selected our position. We found more than 4 confirmations. However, this is part of the game. You will lose some and you will win some. So perfectly fine. Let's see another. We missed this one. No problem. See, in this situation, you have this beauty of a candle here. This is a hammer. Usually it signifies a strong bearish buyer's pressure. You have the cross of the stochastic with a strong push to the upside. This would have been a beautiful buy position here. You also have the price above the EMA. So you have all your confirmations in place. Let's see something else. I'll take 3 positions if we find a beautiful setup. Very low payout, I remove it. This is nice. We got to cross. We're a bit late, so I'll take one only. If it drops back down, I'll take three more. Whenever you are late, do not take the trade, especially if you are trading with real money account. Okay? Since we are doing the tournament, I allow myself and you to take additional risks. I will no longer double up on it. It's too late. So we got ourselves in a decent position. Very nice momentum to the upside. Let's see this one. Okay, what do we have here? 44% no, 58% no. This was a beautiful setup as well. You have this doji candle, clear, cross to the upside. This is where you take your buy position. 3 minutes, that's a win. Let's see the situation here. Okay, it's fine. This is a beautiful sell setup forming on this pair. So first confirmation, the price is below the 200 EMA. Second confirmation, you have a clear trend to the downside. Third, we are waiting for our third confirmation for the stochastic to push above the overbought area of the stochastic, which is over here. We need a push to this area, or a touch at least. Once we see the stochastic crossing and pulling down, we take a sell trade. So let's wait for it. This one is doing pretty fine. Nice. 5 seconds left. 3, 2. So let's wait for this one as well. All our confirmations are in place. We still need the last one from the stochastics. I'll take two on this one. Still, we don't have a cross. We wait. Both lines are now in the overbought condition area, so to speak. Let's see if it's gonna eject from this high over here. Clear downward momentum. The price is below the moving average. Stochastic is in the overbought conditions. So we look for a sell position. I'll take two trades on this one. However, there's one concern I might have here. We have a divergence. No, forget about it. So let's see. You have to always be patient and let your setup play out. I like this candlestick pattern. It happened over here. You see, the market likes to repeat itself. See this one, followed by three. This one is forming. That's my trade. We had a cross. Okay, let's look for another opportunity. This is not okay. Nope. We were late on this one. Very low payout. We remove it. Nope. Low payout. We remove it. See the Euro USD over here doing a drop. We remove low payouts. Okay. We missed this one. This was beautiful as well. Look at this. Amazing. Nope. It's a clear no. Weekends, guys, I don't like trading on weekends. However, we do it for training and testing purposes. Let me see what's going on here. Beautiful. We are winning. See that? 22 seconds left. All right. That's a win. Very decent trade. Love it. Okay, so at this point, we are 3% up, which is perfect. Okay, so let us take a few minutes break, 10 minutes break, and we'll be back to continue trading with the indicators strategy, and we'll use some high frequency 1 minute trades. All right, so 10 minutes break, and we will be back. Okay, team, we're back from the break. So let's continue trading the Stochastic Oscillator plus EMA strategy. Let's find opportunities. We've had beautiful trades here. So we took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are winning. 5 out of 9. That makes money. That makes you money. Okay, so let me add a few pairs, a few high payout pairs as well. Euro Turkish, Euro CHF, NZD, USD. Right. Let me see in commodities. I'll add gold over here. No problem. So let's continue. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to use the live chat box. Always happy to help. Even if the question is something else, not it shouldn't be necessarily around the stochastic or the strategy we are using. So let's continue. Okay. The market this morning is not nice at all. Barely finding any pairs, clearly moving above or below the moving average. This was nice actually, but we are late, so we don't do anything. There's a demand area here, it might reject from this level and push up. So whenever I will find a nice setup, I will explain my decision-making process, all right, with all the confirmations you need to take the trade. Look at this rally to the upside. It's a rally base, rally formation. Okay, we don't have anything here. This is a rally base as well. I think it's collecting orders over here. The market maker is, placing the orders slowly and will keep on pushing up. However, we don't have a setup for our strategy. Nope, we won't take this. Okay, nope. Looking for an opportunity. See, rally, base, rally. What's with the connection thing? Let me see. It's fine. Let me refresh the page. Okay, I guess now we're fine. Let's continue looking for opportunities. We have a strong, so we'll keep on looking. Okay, this is beautiful. I like it. See this huge drop base. Now it's rallying up and the momentum is gonna drop again. The Euro HUF OTC is usually very volatile. I almost always avoid it. However, in this case, let me check the high time frame to see what's the overall trend. Okay, it's making higher highs. Let me see on the 1 hour. It's in a downtrend, so I'll take this one for a sell, exceptionally on this pair, even though I don't like it. So I'll take a position, a 3 minutes position. If we see a clear cross here, despite the low payout, we are doing this for training purposes, remember, and we are trading within the tournament, which is free. Everyone can join this as long as you have an account with pocket option. If you don't have one yet, you can go to the description box. You have a link down there that includes a 50% deposit bonus. I'll take a few more trades on Stochastic Oscillator strategy and then I'll move to high frequency trades. Give us the trigger point. So this is the recent high here, beautifully rejected from it. Common rejection points. It's gonna push back at some point. Likes to repeat itself. Look at this. Push to the downside, rallied a bit, and then pushed back to the downside. Okay. It happened over here as well. Pushed up and then back down all the way to this area. So when you see patterns such as these repeating themselves, okay, we might have an entry here. We'll wait for the close of the candle. Stochastic is already crossing. So we'll take a 3 minutes position. I see a clear push to the downside from the stochastic oscillator, both lines. If I don't see that, I won't take the trade. And if I see a gap down, I will also not take it. I'll take the trade. We have a clear indication. So 3 minutes, both lines crossing below the 80 level of the stochastic, in addition to a beautiful gap up. So we took this. Let's find something else. Lots of low payout pairs. This was nice, actually. We missed it, no problem. Over here, would have taken a sell trade. Okay, no. We have a powerful zone here. Let me see if it gives me Let me see that. Let's remove this one. Let me see this baby. I'll change the color to blue, rejecting exactly at the point. Okay. So now it's breaking out. We have another level here, much stronger level actually. Put a line here. If I see a green close in the zone, I'll take a buy. This is a win. Oof, beautiful win. See, whenever you stick to your rules, when you do proper technical analysis, when you see what the chart and the price is telling you, you will succeed. I need strong close, strong green close here. I'll take a buy after a crossover from the stochastic. See, we've combined a few more confirmations. Okay, that's a win. This is my signal. This is gonna be my signal. Now you might ask, Mark, why are you taking a trade against the EMA? This is because I can see a clear and powerful demand area from this level. I only want to see across from the stochastics and a strong green close over here. We don't have it. Anyways, it has a low payout, so if it closes like this inside the zone or outside, I'll take it. That's it. Okay, let's look for another opportunity. This is nice. I'll wait for a buy here. Let me mark this support area. Do we have something here? We have a supply zone. However, we have a strong bullish momentum. Let's wait for the stochastics. Perfect. We have two lines in the oversold area waiting for a pushback to the upside. If this closes in green, it means the pair couldn't make a lower low. Instead, it's gonna keep on pushing to the upside, most probably. I take two on this one. Nice. Nice momentum from the buyers. Let's wait for the close. Two more. Let's see what's gonna happen here as well. Come on. Broke all the demand zones. No problem. We lose some, we win some. That's the game. The most important thing is to end your week in profit and to end your month in profit. If you made 20% per month, you are a genius. You are in a very nice situation. Think about it. Real estate won't, if you have an apartment, it won't give you a 20% per month. If you invest your money in the bank, they will give you nothing or 1-3% per year. So as long as you are making 1 to 2% per day, you are doing fantastic. Don't get greedy. So we'll wait for those two. After that, we'll do some high frequency trades. 1 minute expiry. Doing nice over here. I expect a rejection from this level above, which is here. Since we have strong supply area happened over here. See it rejected. It might break through it. You don't know what the market is gonna do. These are gonna be winning trades, most probably. 50 seconds left. After those trades, we'll switch to high frequency trading. It's breaking the zone, ejecting. If you have any questions, you can use the live chat box or the comments box. Beautiful trades. Seven seconds left. And that's it. Okay, friends, we've made 17.5% using the stochastics and the EMA strategy, trading for around 1 hour. At this point, if you are using your real money accounts, you should stop trading and come back the next day. Full stop, okay? But since we are doing this live stream for education, entertainment, and training purposes, I'll go on. I'll switch my strategy now to high frequency trading strategy. It broke a strong supply area here. I'll reduce a little bit the trading amount to 3. Let me remove the stochastic, remove the EMA. What do we have here? Huge downward momentum. Let's wait for the close. So now I'll be using momentum trading, supply demand, and gaps, along with zero levels, zero price levels, which you can see over here. These are usually strong rejection areas. Here we have common rejection point with the trend line thing. Okay, I'll take a sell on this since nice. Come on. I'll go for three more. Beautiful. Come on. 9 seconds. Unbelievable. This is breaking out from a ranging situation. We have a double zero level over here. Strong bearish momentum. Let's wait for it. That's huge. If I see a gap up, I'll take a sell on this one. Bit of a bad entry. I wanted it at the open, so no problem. Beautiful drop. Nice. Keep going. So I'm using the auto time offset. So whenever I take a trade, if it's at the beginning of the 1 minute, it will go for 1 minute. For example, if I take a sell right now, it will go for 11 seconds. This is for me to capitalize on safety margins. If I have a safety margin, I can use this form. Another gap up. I'll wait for slight push to the upside to take a sell. Since I see a rejection from this zone, we are getting closer to a powerful demand area. So let's see. I'll take sell here. Beautiful. No. Nice. That's a win. That's a gap down. I'll take a buy. Especially that we see two rejections happening. I'll take two more if it comes back to this area. Take two more. Beautiful rejection from the buyers. Nice push, nice push. I think we might see a reversal happening. We'll take the buy as well. If I see a drop around this area, I'll take two more. Two more. Getting close to the zone. Take 3 here. Don't do this on live accounts. Okay, I'll go full power on the rejection here. That's very risky. However, we have a nice demand area. Nicely rejecting, yes. Beautiful, come on. Nice. It's laughable. Come on, come on. That's unfair. Completely unfair. I'll take buys as well. I need some safety margin. That's it. Go for 1 year. I'll go full power if it goes lower. Okay. Have a double zero level here. No problem. Have a gap down. Quick sell. A bit more. I take 2 more. $10 left. Okay. Now let's change. See something else. Take a buy here. Okay. Nice. Beautiful. Come on. Nice push. That's it. Okay. Take this gap. Another buy. Pushing nicely. Great. 9 seconds left. That's a win for sure. Okay, so let's end this live stream. We ended it with 5% ROI, which is great, even though we took lots of risks and aggressive trades. The stochastic oscillator plus the moving average. This is our third day testing it. It's doing fine. It is making money as long as you stick to the rules and you combine as much confirmations for your trade setup. That said, if you are still watching, please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button. If you have any question, you can write those in the comments box. We will get back to you as soon as possible. Also, if you want to join our binary options VIP signals room, all the links you need are in the description box. See you on the other side.